Now to the latest on the coronavirus outbreak. Health officials in China say another 105 people have died, pushing the death toll to nearly 1,800. More than 2,000 new cases have also been confirmed. This all happening as hundreds of Americans stuck on a quarantined cruise ship in Japan are finally heading back to the U.S. CBS 2's Christina Fan has more.
I think it's time to cut our losses and take off.
This video documents Cheryl and Paul Molesky's first steps of freedom after being quarantined in their rooms aboard the Diamond Princess ship docked near Tokyo, Japan.
For the last 12 days, we have not stepped foot out of this door into the hallway.
The Moleskys from Syracuse, New York are among hundreds of Americans evacuated from the ship.
The bus will take you to the airplane takes you to the United States, and then you get your passport. All good with that?
Okay.
But their freedom aboard this chartered flight back to the U.S. is short-lived. Once landing, they will be taken to Travis Air Force Base in California and Lackland Air Force Base in Texas for 2 more weeks of quarantine to make sure they have not contracted the deadly virus still spreading quickly throughout China.
This kind of spread, does this indicate this is becoming a pandemic?
Well, a pandemic is when you have multiple countries throughout the world that have what's called sustained transmission from person to person to person, multiple generations. It certainly is on the verge of that happening reasonably soon unless containment is more successful than it is right now.
As for the Moleskys, they seemed relieved and excited to be homeward bound.
Well, we're exhausted, but we're on the plane, and that's a good feeling.
Meanwhile, officials say some 40 more Americans on the ship confirmed to have coronavirus will stay at hospitals in Japan. In the newsroom, Christina Fan, CBS 2 News.